Here you go, quick unboxing of the DJI Osmo Pocket. So that's how it comes in the box. Here we go. So to know you receive a new one, you should have a seal here and a seal here, which I cut already. So those seals should be not broken, so you know you get a new one, not a used one that have been repacked, like it happened often these days. So once you cut the seal, this you don't have to destroy it, you just slide it away. Let me see if I can manage. Here we go. You slide this cardboard, the paper sign cardboard away, and then here you have some cards about Osmo Shield, which is the warranty, and some more information card, even in Chinese. Here we go. Then in the box itself, here we go, you have the Osmo Pocket camera itself and the case for the camera. When you don't use it, you can put it in this case. So here's the case. Let's open the case first. It even shows you on it how to put the Osmo Pocket inside correctly. So opening the case, we find, here we go, some strap. This is to avoid humidity in your electronic. Some hand strap, wrist strap, user manual that nobody never reads, and here we go. We have some cable there. I'm sorry about the lights. I just have the sun to help me today. All right, so here's two adapters. You have one which is USB-C for your phone or tablet equipped with USB-C, and one which is for iPhones or iPad. You do not have an adapter for micro USB, so you need to get USB-C to micro USB if your phone still use micro USB and not USB-C. And here is a USB to USB-C cable used to charge your Osmo Pocket. And talking about the Osmo Pocket, here we go. Here's the camera. Don't forget to remove, like when you get a drone, you always remove all the protection stickers. If you have a blur image, that's why. And protection stickers for the LCD screen right there. LCD screen and camera. It's so tiny. Here we go. So it feels very tiny. It feels quite fragile. Hopefully it is not, this gimbal. But here we go. Osmo Pocket in my hands. It is very small. All right, that's what's in the box of the DJI Osmo Pocket. Quick unboxing.